Hello, guys, welcome back to PassFab. Do you think your default background and start menu are too boring, or cannot target your common programs in start menu quickly? Let's see how to customize Windows 10 start menu today. First, we need to download a free tool from Microsoft Store. Search for Tile Genie in the store. Download and install it. Now, change a background first. Right-click the screen and select Personalize. Click Browse and select a picture as your new background. Now, open Tile Genie. Click Add images you want to display on your Start menu. Click the icons beside to modify the size and amount. Press Ctrl key and roll the mouse wheel to adjust the size of the picture. Click Pin Tiles. And you can see the tile you just made in the Start menu. Just pin images you like to the Start menu like this. Then drag the tiles to wherever you want. Also, you can pin a software to the Start menu and right-click it to resize the tile. Finally, you can get a customized Start menu. Did you get it? Try it yourself.